Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate the random MAC address of your Samsung Galaxy A35 thanks to the IMEI number of your phone. Okay, so first we need to check what is our IMEI number. To do it, open up the phone app and then type asterisk, hashtag 06 and hashtag. Now we have our IMEI number right in here, and now we gotta enter this IMEI number in the search box on our page. Then go and click on Check IMEI. As you can see, the device has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks. They are completely for free, so you don't need to pay for anything. And then click on MAC address generator. First, we need to enter our true MAC address. To check it, open up the settings, then scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, Status, Information, and in here we have Phone Wi-Fi MAC address. And now we just gotta simply enter it in the search box. So that's the thing that you need to do. Okay, and then click on Generate Random MAC Address. Scroll down a little bit, and in here we have 10 random MAC addresses. We can copy each MAC. You can copy them separately by clicking this button, for example, or you can click on Copy All MACs, and it will also be copied. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.